Hello friends, welcome to my channel SolidWorks tutorial. Today we gonna solve exercise number 52. We will use SolidWorks 2020 for designing this part. This free SolidWorks video tutorial will help you learning 3D CAD designing. In this video you will learn the use of various SolidWorks tools like circles, trim, extrude cut, and extrude. We will use only 3 sketches, 2 extrudes, and 1 extrude cut command for completing this free SolidWorks exercise video. First, we gonna sketch the front view, and then extrude. Then we will do 2 more sketches and extruded cuts accordingly.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Left-click on Front Plane and choose Sketch.
Now take the line command.
Height is 10 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 75 millimeters. Height is 75 millimeters. Width is 10 millimeters. Width is 10 millimeters. Height is 40 millimeters.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined.
Distance is 50 millimeters. Reverse direction. Extrude distance is 50 millimeters.
Press OK.
Now I will make this hole. Right-click on the top plane and select Sketch.
Now take Circle command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 25 millimeters. Radius is 25 millimeters. Distance is 25 millimeters. Distance is 30 millimeters.
Press OK. Now take the line command.
Hold on Control button and select the line and circle and choose tangent relationship. Make sure these lines are tangent with the circle.
The sketch is fully defined. Now take Trim Entities command.
Now it looks perfect.
Press OK.
From featured menu select Extrude Cut command. Select these areas for extrude cut.
Press OK.
Now I will make this hole. Left click on this surface and select Sketch.
Now take Circle command.
Diameter is 25 millimeters. Radius is 25 millimeters.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined.
Select these lines and choose Convert Entities.
Press OK. Now take Trim Entities command. Press OK.
Double-click on the red color word over defined. In this case we will accept solution number 1.
Press OK.
From featured menu select Extrude Cut command. Select these areas for extrude cut.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Congratulations.
This is the part which we were trying to build. Make this speed 3x. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.